Welcome back, friends, to another vlog. Today is a new day, but we're starting out on a rough start. We just got a flat tire. So we're at the Gunnison State Park, Black Canyon, like, turnout point. Was going up like a mile and then we heard that it was leaking air. So we're back here at the bottom getting our donut tire on, thanks to my haughty husband who knows how to do stuff like this. So super thankful for that. So he's fixing that, so we will see. We might have to go back to Montrose and get a new tire. So super exciting stuff, but it's realistic and this is what happens sometimes on road trips. Meanwhile, there's some really cute little chickens. They're like fluff balls. So this is what I'm doing to help. You're so cute. So you put it in a star pattern?
So like I didn't go all the way around because it would have like cinched it down and like, so you don't cinch them all the way down and then I go back up. Across.
Alrighty, let's try this again. We ended up going to Enterprise at the airport because we were close enough. It was like 10 minutes away, so we got it fixed and we actually have a new car. We're now in a Nissan Rogue, so we upgraded. We were in a car and I think we're gonna try to go back up to the Black Mesa. This is on, not the Black Mesa, the Black Canyon National Park. This turn right here is where we got our puncture, so let's be very careful about where you go. So we'll give this another try.
Cool.
Thanks.
How do I get to the lookout this way?
All the lookouts are straight.
All the lookouts are...
So we just drove in and apparently you have to pay to enter, so it's $20 per vehicle. Or if you walk, it's $10 a person, which, anyways, they give you a map and a nice little newspaper. So I don't think I was just showing my head. Oh well. So yeah, you can drive down to the bottom and you can look at the lookouts and you can do something else. Oh, I think you can hike down. But there aren't many trails, I read, because of how steep it is. So yes, fun fact, this canyon, the deepest part sometimes only gets 30 minutes of light per day because it's that deep and narrow. Basically on the map it tells you every single spot that you can stop at, and Painted Lady I think is like one of the most popular ones. At least that was what I saw most of online, and so that's where we are walking right now. It's so pretty. So you can see that there's lines on the mountain or the cliff or whatever you call this, and that's how it gets its name, Painted Lady. If it wasn't so bright right now, I feel like it would be able to be seen a lot easier, but still pretty. So now that we have gone through majority of the lookout points, we are going, south of the map, we can go onto the East Portal Road and go down to the river at the bottom. So I'm really excited. I'd love to see what that looks like. So that's where we're going. Okay, so we made it to the bottom of the river. I'm walking down, trying to reach the bottom. It's not like an easy path there, but basically this road is a dead end and the map shows you that. So you'll just go to the end and then turn around, you can walk back. We are just walking down to the river. I'm sure it's gonna be cold, but I wanna touch it. So we have got our $20 worth. We went down to the bottom and we went up and went all the South Trail, I think is what it's called. There is a north side as well, but not many people go over there because I think it is harder to get to, but I'm sure the views are just as pretty. We are gonna head back to Gunnison, so I'll see you guys there. Okay, so it is now present day and I am just editing this video this morning and I realized that was a very insincere goodbye. I think that my SD card ran out of space and so I couldn't finish what I was trying to say. But there were a few things I did want to add. So one thing was that we got a SUV, we got the Rogue I think, after we got the flat tire. So we were really glad that we got that replacement because the road down to the bottom of the canyon was actually really steep. And then obviously coming back up, it was really steep as well. We were really glad that we had that. So I would definitely recommend an SUV. If you have a car, I think you could make it, but it might be a little sketch and it might be a little hard to get up and down. It was a beautiful place. It wasn't as narrow as I expected, just because I think it's just like kind of the end of the canyon, so it kind of opened up a little. So it was basically just a river, but it was really pretty and we enjoyed being down there. I do feel like it was worth the $20 to do all the lookouts and go down. I believe we probably spent like two and a half hours there, so it was really, we enjoyed it. And the $20, I think if you have your receipt, it lasts for 7 days or something like that, so you can go back different days if you are interested. You can go back another day if you want to see more or you didn't see everything that first day. The next thing is we went to Gunnison. So Gunnison was our next stop. It was in about, I think in over an hour to get there. So the next few days we spent in Gunnison and our next video will be Crested Butte. So Crested Butte was I think, top 2 of our favorite places. So we definitely enjoyed our time there. Be sure to keep watching for that video. It will be out next week, and we may even have to break it up into 2 videos because we enjoyed it that much. So that is the next that's up. If you guys are new and watching, please subscribe. If you have been around for a while and haven't subscribed, what are you thinking? Go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever my new videos are out, especially the rest of my Colorado series. So yeah, here's my sincere goodbye. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video of the Black Canyon.